Look at your life for a second. You say you want success. You say you want focus. You say you want discipline. But every night you scroll. Every morning you snooze. And every week you restart. The problem isn't motivation. It's that your brain is hijacked. And in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why you have no discipline and how to rebuild it in 7 days. Discipline is not a personality trait. It's a nervous system condition. Your brain is overstimulated. You consume short videos, notifications, junk food, endless novelty. Your dopamine baseline is destroyed. So when it's time to work, it feels boring, heavy, painful. Not because you're lazy, because your brain expects fireworks. You don't lack discipline. You lack dopamine control. Every scroll trains your brain to crave instant reward. Deep work gives delayed reward. Your brain chooses the easier hit. That's biology, not weakness. If you don't lower stimulation, discipline will always feel impossible. You say, I want to be disciplined, but your identity says, I'm the guy who quits. You can't outperform your self-image. If you repeatedly break promises to yourself, your brain stops trusting you. Discipline is self-trust, and right now that you don't trust yourself. Motivation fades, emotion fluctuates, systems win. If your environment still allows, phone next to your bed, apps on your home screen, no fixed work hours, then you're relying on willpower, and willpower is weak. Environment greater than motivation. Always. The 7-day discipline reset plan. Day 1 to 2. Dopamine reduction. Delete 3 distracting apps. No phone first 60 minutes of the day. No phone last 60 minutes at night. Your brain must feel boredom again. Boredom rebuilds focus. Make one small promise daily. Example: I will do 20 minutes of focused work. Non-negotiable. Keep it small, but keep it sacred. You are rebuilding self-trust. Phone outside bedroom. Work in a specific location only. Remove visual distractions. Design your space like a disciplined person would. Test 1 day. No social media, no junk dopamine. Deep work only. Prove to yourself you can. You don't need more motivation. You need fewer distractions. Discipline is not built by hype. It's built by controlled environments and kept promises. If you follow this for 7 days, you won't feel different. You'll become different. Subscribe if you're serious about self-control.